how to see or check who sent you NGL messages, real name, identity. So if you want to see or check who sent you the NGL messages, if you want to know the real name, then what you need to do is just open up your NGL application at first. After opening, you need to go with inbox, which is on the top. And as you can see that you have a message right here. So if you want to see the name of the person who has sent you this message, then what you can do is go back, and here on the bottom, you'll have an option of who sent these. So tap on it, and here you will have unlock option. You need to tap on unlock, and then you need to unlock NGL Pro. Once you tap on unlock, then it will ask you to pay a certain amount depending upon your location. You'll have the amount per week or per month. You need to just take the subscription or subscribe to NGL Pro. Once you subscribe, you'll be able to check who sent you the NGL message. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.